Okay, we're on?
Yep.
All right, I got a friend of mine that brought over this kid's wheel here, and he was saying his spokes were froze up. So what I did was soaked it with some penetrating lubricant for a week. Well, just a little under a week. I took this brush, this little brush over here, hang on. Took this little brush right here, sprayed my penetrating lube in here, dabbed it in here just like this, and then went around like this every couple days and just made sure I hit every one of them like that and let that really soak in. I've got a pretty good formula in the works for that. And then we broke one spoke in the process, and he said he had a couple extra spokes, so he's on his way over. And I figured I would do a tire dismount video and go over those couple little details right fast. And you can see how I've kind of made a makeshift wheel truing stand. I've got my vise mounted vertically on my bench edge. Chucked up a T-handle there. Chucked it up and got it sitting in there. And that's how I worked on my wheel. Got it at the right height where I'm comfortable. Just made do, you know. Made do with the situation. So now my rim lock's loose. I've got my core out. I'm going to take it down off the bead all the way around. Push that up. Pretty stubborn. Okay. I got some irons here. I got that at 11 o'clock. I got my irons at 12 and 1-ish. Just start working it around. Oh. A tough time getting down underneath there. There. It was trying to be difficult to deal with here. Get these out of here before they fall. Okay, that's it. Tire dismounted. I would have got my regular stand out, but I was already doing the job like this. So I just improvised. Anyway, have a great day.